What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. We over here at the Tx2k Night Fest over here, man. You know what I'm saying? You see, they got all this going on right now, you know what I mean? If you ain't out here, that means you ain't following the right people, man. Look, why don't y'all come on, comment down below. I'm gonna walk through and show y'all everything they got going on, all right? It's a big old deal out here right now, man. You know what I'm saying? You got the Auto 8 here sitting all black, man. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Lambo. You got the McLaren sitting right here. You got the new C8 right there. Take your pick. I'm gonna take a walk through here so I can show y'all everything they got going on. When I mean this parking lot filled up in a matter of minutes, this parking lot filled up in a matter of minutes, man. Hey, let's go check out the charger section over here. You see the Mopar is deep tonight.
Shouldn't he be here by now?
You look like you're a nice doggy tonight. What's up, man? I think it's the first time I've seen this one, man. They got that cat on a kitty. Cool. You got the full fleet of Chargers right here, man. Then you got the Mustangs blended in there with them. Man, I'm gonna try to get around. I'm gonna try to get around this whole thing, man. Like I said, it's filled up this parking lot real fast, man.
That's not you now, because I don't have the time. I don't have
Stock Eco. I know y'all hear that, man. Shit. Yes, sir. Definitely one of the hardest hellcats in Houston right now. Oh yeah, this shit crazy. Huh? Hey, Yes, sir. And you got the Gucci out here. Oh yeah, lane hogs, I see y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, they're all still on that fucking Mustang. Yeah, that shit hurt. Stay away from it.
Did it catch on fire?
Hey, watch out, watch out.
Hey, let that motherfucker get out of here, man. Look at the dust on the back of that motherfucker. Fire's flaming. Let's just say one of the car's tailpipes burnt and y'all just seen it just now. You know I got the beautiful Mr. YT Tours with me.
Hey,
You know what I
make
mean?
sure y'all hit that subscribe button to hit that bell.
Comment on this video, it's crazy. It's still loud out here right now. I had to come over here for even y'all to hear me, man. I'm surprised my mic's still working right now. Them cars and their fans popping. That shit was crazy, man. But look, it's been a long time waiting. You know 2K, Texas 2K was gonna turn out like this. How was this shit? What is it, the auto crew? It's winking at you. It's winking at you. Oh, you see him? Oh, wide body on flex, man. Wide body on flex, man. Look at that whole man. What y'all think about the Gucci print on the track hawk, man? Ooh, wee boy. That whole hard as a bitch. Boy, that thing hard. But that green, man, I like that green, dog. Y'all wanna go check him out, go check him out, you know? And he got it bad. You know what I'm saying? This shit right here, nigga? This shit right here, nigga? Oh yeah. Y'all see the lineup, man. Y'all see the lineup, yo. What y'all think about the Mara right there, man? That's hard, and I like that. Shit. Fucking tires, boy. You see you got the orange C7 right here. Oh, man. got the grand. I like that color on that thing, dog. I don't know what that is right there, but that wrap on that Camaro is sick.
Yeah, they will. I know. I think.
Y'all follow lane holes in Houston, man. This is what they do. Oh, they got.
That is part.
Y'all don't know what that is. Y'all ain't never been to a real car meet, you know what I'm saying? What is that?
The hoverboard flying the drone.
Oh, yeah. So this is why shit gets shut down fast. Uh-oh, G-Lab. Hell yeah.
See, that's what I like.
Yeah, I know. I see it. G-Lab. Look, all your calls in one spot. Yes, sir. Black Beauty sitting all nice and southern and beautiful. Then you got Pepto Bismol come through.
His name is fucking right. Public Disturbance Mafia.
Alright, y'all. Y'all heard all that loud popping earlier. This was this Public Disturbance Mafia. Perfect name for what the hell he was doing, goddammit. That thing was sounding like straight gunshots, man. They said y'all go check them out in Stock Eco, man. Badass too. I can't put Black Beauty out here and all that doing all that crazy shit, man. But I had a good time. I'm pretty sure Houston's finest will be coming through pretty soon for everything that's going on. But if you didn't, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this video, and make sure you share this to everybody who missed Tx2k. You feel me?
Yes, and make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. And I want to give a big shout out to Lane Hogs for shutting this down. Yes, because that Gucci, I don't know if it was a Hellcat or just an SRT, but regardless of the fact, it was hard.
That shit was hard, man.
Loved it. So.
But you know, it started at about 8, and it's still going on. I think it's probably about 10 o'clock right now. So, look, if y'all didn't catch me on live, y'all gonna catch this real soon. Believe that.
Yes.
So until next time, people, it's been Mr. YT Aries with my baby, Mrs. YT Taurus, man. We out. We still got a couple more places to go to.
Stay tuned.
Yerk. Oh, they drew down on somebody. Hold on. That shit, huh? They got the. Oh, they green. They got the green charger.
Oh no!
Oh my God. Oh wow, they got him on the ground,
Hey,
fam.
hold on. No, dude. I don't know if y'all can see what had just happened. Like, literally, a dozen cop cars pulled over the green. Was that a Challenger? And they had him on the ground. And they arrested him. I mean,
my guess is this: he probably when he saw him coming, he probably ran. But if y'all know what happened, comment down below and let me know, man. Like I said, we came in on the tail end. They kind of drew out on him while they was handcuffing him to the ground. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what happened before that, so I'm not saying, you know, whatever happened. I just, you know, I don't know. But we caught it on film after the fact.
yeah, make sure y'all comment down below. Y'all hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so y'all can get all Mr. YT Aries notifications. stay tuned because y'all know Mr. YT Aries always come with it.
Yeah, feel me? Peace out, people. We about to get on this highway and tear it up.